Actually, it's the other way around.
In fact, it might have been the other way around.
Maybe he's thinking it's the other way around.
He's worried he got me in trouble and not the other way around.
You're lucky. With me, it's usually the other way around.
It's the other way around. The bankers are paranoid and the housewives are depressed.
You don't know what you're doing.
I'm afraid you got that the other way around, Tom.
You saved my whole family.
Actually, I think it was the other way around.
History starts out as farce and ends up as tragedy.
It's the other way around.
It's my job to save those kids, not the other way around.
You're at that age when you want to separate.
Yeah, I separate from you, not the other way around.
The arrogance of man is thinking nature is in our control, and not the other way around.
You think he's here to straighten me out?
Oh, of course. You didn't think it was the other way around, did you?
It's them selling me, not the other way around. It's me being a hypocrite is what it is.
Who exactly are you?
I am Juan Antonio, and you are Vicky, and you are Christina, right? Or is it the other way around?
We should be taking advice from you, Miss Cole. Not the other way around.
Sit down, Miss... No, you know what? I quit!
If it was the other way around, and it was down to me to save your life, and you'd be honest with me, would you trust me to do it?
I would now. And I'm always honest.